up, guys? You already know what time it is. I'm back. We got some content finna hit you right in the face right now. And today in this video, man, I scored some cheap parts for the Newedge, and we about to get this old junk off the car and try to get this on and see, can we make a little more power back to the stock power levels at least. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on, what I be taking off, the difference in between the two, and I'm gonna actually show you the whole install. All right, first and foremost, I'm gonna hit you with a cold start. You probably hear that knocking too once it crank up, if it even start. Ain't much of a cold start right now, still ain't got no exhaust on it. But anyways, let's get the hood up on this thing so I can show y'all what I'm gonna be taking off. Damn, hit the window. Alright, so right now we're gonna be taking this off right here. This Dorman intake. The previous owner put that intake on there, and it, from what everybody knows, is trash. You can tell by the way it's made. It's flat, really no good. Upgrade the throttle body with the unit I just bought. So I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. Then we go. All right, so as you've seen, I got everything off. Gotta get that cleaned up before I put it back. Here goes the old intake. This is the Dorman. You can see it got the flat top. The top of it is flat, and the bottom of it is super small. Then you got the stock one, and this one has a BBK 70mm throttle body. And this is stock one, has round top, but the bottom is bigger. So this one right here totes it a lot more than that one. That one actually makes a good bit more power, and you can actually feel it. So now I got to run to the store because this one comes with the gaskets made into it, while this one they use a separate gasket. So I'm gonna run to the store and get that, and hopes everything turn out right. So we got the new gaskets. I'm about to take everything off this starter body. That TPS sensor, that air sensor, outer air sensor, that'll probably be it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing on. man. So luckily I got it to start on like the second or third time. I don't know what really happened, but shit, it's on there. And it's ready to go. So I'm gonna take it down the road after a while and see how it run. It's smoking white, but that's because that antifreeze that dropped off in the cylinder here. I'm thinking that's what it was also. So I'll be back like 5-10 minutes. I'm gonna let this thing run and I'm gonna take it down the road. We're gonna go for a ride along. Cause it got that dry bearing, so it ain't. I gotta bleed them brakes, man. That's very ridiculous. Motherfucker pulling though. Back to the house. I gotta get these brakes fixed now. May just do a whole rear end. Alright, so fuck, I'm sweaty, I'm hot. I'm about to get this thing back to the house. I got the stock manifold on there with a 70 millimeter throttle body, and man, it pulls pretty good. It pulled way harder than what it was, so that's a plus. And now I just got to get the brakes figured out, get them bleeded, get all the air out the system. That shit is tricky, but all in all, subscribe to the channel. Catch me next time. Comment, like, all that. I'm out.